Hey everyone, welcome back to HTML for Complete Beginners. Today I'm going to show you how you can add a marquee tag in HTML in a very simple way. As you can see, I already added the marquee tag into our HTML website, and basically it's going left from the end and it started from the left. So how you can add this marquee tag in your website? Let's do it and let's get started. So as we refresh now, you can see there is nothing into our website. So from here into the body section, you can simply add the marquee tag and open it and going to close it, marquee tag. And in between the marquee tag, we're going to type over here web technology, our channel name. And now if we just simply save it, and now if we refresh it, as we can see, the web technology is rightly beginning or ending with the marquee tag. So as you can see, we can simply customize it by a very simple way. We can simply type over here behavior, and then we can simply give the slide, and then we can simply give over here behavior amount is slide. We can simply give the slide over here, and after that we can simply add the slide. And if we just save it and if we just refresh it, as you can see, it's looking like a slide. After, we can simply add the direction, and we can set the direction to right. And now you can save it, and if we just scroll down, so as you can see, after setting up Marquee behavior slide and direction attribute in right, we can see now it's going with the right side. And we can also add another attribute called scroll amount. It's getting a little bit faster. As you can see, we increase the scroll amount and it's getting a little bit faster. So we can change it in a different attributes if we want. So this is how we can simply add marquee tag in our HTML website. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.